All right, this is 2009 BMW 328i X Drive, and this is the SULEV, which is the super ultra low emission vehicle, and it's different than the other 3 series, the normal ones. This got 117,000 miles on it, and I'm having a problem with the gas gauge. Does not go above half because the transfer or the jet pump does not take to the other side, because the tank is gonna, from the bottom it goes up high and then goes to this side. It's one tank, but it's really, the way it's designed, it's like 2 tanks. So as you can see, this side on the driver's side does not have anything. Piece of plastic. You can't do nothing on this side. The other 3 series, they have the sending unit in here, and the fuel pump on the other side or the opposite. Not really sure. I haven't worked on those ones before. But so if your gas gauge reading about half or less, or fills up really quick, then you most likely have a problem like this. So I searched online. I could not find something clear, something straightforward. This is all you got on this side. Okay, this, and you got this crap around it. Okay, this crap around it. The first thing, when you open this, you twist this, you disconnect it. There's the feed line right here for the gas. You take it out. Not sure, I just took it with a plier. And then you slide this, open it as much as you can for the O-ring, and I believe it's not 8 millimeters, a little bit smaller. Let me see. I believe it's like 6, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Whatever, I don't know, maybe 6. You'll find out. It's not the problem. You open it as wide as you can, you slide it out. The plastic has got a hook from here, right here. Okay, so you don't need to twist the whole thing, don't break it. What you need to do, push on this opening and that opening, or that opening, and open, go enough to go over the hook right here, over the fuel pump unit, and this will slide one way, so you push on this side inwards or backwards, and then lift it up. Okay, take that off. This you lift up. There is a connector right here, which I didn't take off because I don't need to, and there's a hose right here, a quick connect, BMW makes all the time, right here. So you push on it and you pull downwards and it comes right off. So when I took this off, there was supposed to be something hooked up from the bottom in here, and I did not see it. See, because from the top there is a hose right here. This hooks on top here. Okay, this one hooks up right here. So when I opened it, flip it around, there should be something around here from the bottom. When I opened it, I realized there's nothing in there, because I was watching everything when I took everything off, because I was honestly expecting a problem like this, something that's disconnected. So I tried to fish around to see, and there you go. It got the rest of the hose just fall off. And this is, I guess, probably it's common, since it's pull up right like that. And I do not see any breakage in it. It does look good, so I'm just gonna hook it up back together, and I'm 100% sure that the gas gauge is gonna transfer, it's gonna work normal. Because when I took this hose and blowed on it, it seems like there's nothing in there. So it should be gas, but there's no gas. So anyways, this hose, when you blow it, it should feel like there's something in there, there's gas, if you got gas in your tank, obviously, even quarter tank. So this is the problem. I was gonna open this side, cut it, because I know it's one unit. They say you gotta drop the tank and all that. You don't need all this, and thank God I did not go to that extreme. So if you got a problem with your gas gauge that read in half, mine does not go above half, like half or less. And it seems like when I put $20 or something like that, and I dry fit, and then the gauge just works normal, like it goes down, 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 down until it goes empty. And I did not want to risk it, because I know if I drove it like that, I would have been out of gas. So if your fuel pump looks like this, look around for this. And honestly, I tried to fish it and bring it back, but when I first did this, I had to put my hands way down there and look for something disconnected, and I found this one. So yours probably it's laying just like that, or in the bottom to this side. If not, look around, because it might fell down all the way. I hope this helps you and saves you a little bit of money. So this, connect that hose in the bottom all the way. That's obviously, it's really common sense, but you lift this up and you hook it up here. Okay, sorry, hook it up here and hook everything back together like normal. Put it back and go fill it up, and I'm pretty sure if you got a situation like this, it's gonna work for you. But you gotta understand, this is, like I said, this SULEV model is 2007. If you have the other 3 series, just the normal ones, I got 5 series right there. It is different. And I got the E92, which is also different, you know. So you gotta make sure your fuel pump looks exactly like this one. All right.